boy! That's a wonderful, awesome tornado! Ah! No! Oh, no! Not Mickey! No! Save me! Save me! Anybody save me! I'll save you! I'm coming! Oh no! Don't fall in! Ah! Oh my goodness! Look at Mickey! Ah!
It's Kinder Playtime! Jacob! Emily! Chloe! It's a toy party! Yay! Welcome to Kinder Playtime!
Welcome back, everybody!
Yay!
Hey, bud! Hey, what's up, Jacob?
Hi. I'm doing really good today. And look at all the surprises we have.
Oh my goodness, so many surprises. Lots of new ones, too. And what's this thing?
It says it's a Stan Jr.
By Little Tikes
Yep.
Twisty Tornado.
There's
What?
There's two ways to play. This way and this way.
There's a lava experiment? Wow, that looks awesome, man.
I'm so excited for this one.
Oh, me too. Ralph breaks the internet. And those are domes? Let's see, are these domes? Or are these, yeah, they're domes, which are some of my favorite toys.
Yeah.
And look at all the things you can get.
Yeah, that's
Super cool. Whoa, what's this red egg?
what the?
We got like a mystery egg?
I guess so. Maybe it could be a dragon egg.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, it could be a dragon egg. Oh, and we got a Mickey Mouse.
Two of them.
Yeah, he's celebrating his 90th birthday. Can you believe he's 90 years old?
Yes.
It's
10
crazy.
10 years later. He's 100 years old.
I know. 10 more years and he'll be 100. That would be crazy. Cool. We got lots of cool surprises and lots of fun toys. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, buddy. What do you want to start with?
You can pick first.
I can pick first?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. Let's see. I gotta go with Ralph.
Yep.
Ralph wrecks the internet. Oh, we got two. So one for me, one for you?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
And I want WreckIt Ralph, of course. Or Fix It Felix. Okay, who did we get?
Alright.
You want to go first?
Yep, I'll go first.
Okay. Ooh, who's that?
It says right here, yes.
Yes is the name?
Yeah.
Well, that's a new character.
Yeah.
Yes, and I got... Wow! Upside down, Vanellope. Cool. So we got Yes and Vanellope. And then they go together. Can you help me put them together? Just like that. Nice.
Yay.
Vanellope's awesome.
Yeah. This
And
girl's new from the internet.
yeah, we're gonna have to figure out in later on this month.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yay!
All right, what do you want to open up next, bud?
These.
What are these?
I don't know.
We never opened these before.
Yeah.
Mighty Beanz.
Yes.
Two Mighty Beanz. Ooh, they look pretty cool. Okay, who are they? Oh my goodness. So is this like a carrying case or like a surprise egg or
I
something?
guess so.
Okay, so this one was mine. I have like this cool like dinosaur thing.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa. So what do they do?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh my goodness, what are they doing? Oh, I see. That's kind of cool. That's so awesome.
They can get up no matter what.
Okay, that's pretty sweet. And then I got, well, this guy's upside down. Who's this? Oh my goodness, this guy's got like he's sick. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Alright, let's see who we got.
All right, you want to see who they got?
Whoa, that's a long list.
So what if you put them upside down? Oh, they'll stay upside down. What if you spin them?
Spin? Oh.
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
Let's see. Yeah.
Okay, so the first one was Barber Mighty Bean.
And he was actually number 1 on the list.
Yeah, number 1. And number 9, Vampire Mighty Bean. He looks like a vampire. That's pretty cool.
I know, he is a vampire.
65, Tennis Star Mighty Bean. Cool. Tennis star. And then the 41 Snotty Mighty Bean. So he is sick. I'm a little bit sick too, so I feel you, buddy.
And let's roll him.
Roll him around.
Roll him around.
Spin him. Woo! Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Ouch! Ouch!
That one was weird. Oh!
Ah.
They keep falling. Your turn.
Oh, it's my turn, huh? Oh, what's this new Mashems? What's this one? What do we got? It says, oh, Exploding Kittens.
Exploding kittens.
You love this game. Did you know they made Mashems for Exploding Kittens?
No.
I didn't either.
Well, let's open these up.
I know. I want to open them. I want this cat that has like a rainbow coming out of his mouth.
I want the cat with the grenade.
The grenade.
All right, let's see what we got.
Okay. You got the one you wanted.
Yes.
You got the grenade one.
Yes. Nice. That is so cool.
And I've got this green. What is he? Like a watermelon?
Yes. That is a watermelon. And what are these?
It comes with little cards, huh?
Yeah.
Hairy Potato Cat, huh?
Both of them are hairy potato cats.
Oh, let me see your guy. Oh, check out his cool grenade.
Yeah, that is really cool.
He's ready to go explode or something.
Yes.
And this guy is just so big, he's gonna really explode.
This guy shoots watermelons. Hack.
Super squishy.
Super squishy, super squishy.
I give it like a 10.
Hey, does anybody want some watermelon juice?
Weird.
Okay, I want to open up these Mickey surprises.
Mickey surprises. All right, let's do it. I wonder what's inside.
Ooh.
I don't know. 90 years of magic.
Yes.
Oh, it looks like a bunch of figures. Oh man, I want the magician Mickey. That'd be amazing.
I want the gold Mickey.
Oh, there is a gold Mickey.
Wow, look how cool the eggs are.
I know, they're super cool.
He got ears and he's got some pants on.
That's crazy. All right, let's open up yours first. There you go. Whoa.
That looks cool.
That looks like Technicolor Mickey.
And this one looks like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Is that what that one is?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh man, super cool. I like those a lot. And I didn't know it came with 2.
What?
I know, it came with 2 of them.
And we got 3 Mickeys.
I know, you got 3 Mickeys, and now.
Let's
all right, come on, be the one I wanted.
Yes, you got the one.
I did. I did get the one I wanted. That's my favorite Mickey right there.
And then we got a Mickey crossing his arms.
Another Technicolor Mickey.
I think so.
That's awesome. So this one's the Magister's Apprentice Mickey.
This is Pie Eye Mickey Mouse.
Pie Eye Mickey Mouse.
Yep.
Man, so cool. Well, happy birthday, Mickey Mouse.
Yay!
We love you so much.
Yay!
So what's had me really intrigued is this like dragon egg or something right here. So you want to open that next?
Yeah, let's open it.
All right, let's open it. All right, open that egg. Crack it open. What is this? You got a package inside the egg.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Slime in there.
No way. Open it up.
What the?
What is this? Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
It looks like it is a dragon.
It is a dragon. Do you build them?
Yeah, I think so.
What? That's
Nice, look at that.
That's amazing.
Oh my god.
Is it super sticky or is it actually, is it like fun slime or is it like nasty? Oh, it's fun slime for sure.
Fun slime, yeah.
Yeah, look at all the pieces in there.
And I'm still getting them out.
Ooh, you got all the pieces. Oh, there's one more over here. One more piece. You getting it?
And then there's another piece over there.
Uh-huh.
And then
Yummy.
And then there's another
Oh, there's another one.
right here.
Oh, it's underneath it. Oh, nice. Cool. So we got a bunch of pieces. Wow, that's quite impressive, actually. I was not expecting it to be that many things in there.
Whoa. All right, let's try to build this guy together. Look at the dragon we built.
I know, he's so cool.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness, look, he's breathing fire. This is cool. These are called Mega Construct Breakout Beasts.
Ooh.
I know, that's so cool. And look, we got the slime here.
Ooh.
Do you want to pour the slime on him?
Yeah.
Slime him! It just kind of bounced off.
There.
Bleh.
Maybe we can put it under him.
Oh, that's cool
Looks like
too.
he's in a swarm.
Oh yeah, I like it. Like he just came out of the egg.
Yeah.
Oh, see, that's cool. That's pretty cool, Take.
Yeah.
Cool, we can make him stand on his egg.
Yeah.
It's your turn again.
Hey.
Ooh, what you got? All right, Dragon Ball Super.
Yeah.
Surprise eggs, nice.
Yeah. So we got the 6-star ball and the 3-star ball, I think.
Nice.
All right.
Here we go.
Let's open mine up first.
Okay.
Go.
Ooh, whoa, it's a green guy.
Who's that guy?
I don't remember his name. Can you guys let us know in the comments below if you know his name?
Yeah. I guess so.
Is he? Yeah. You put them together backwards.
There we go. Kind of looks like a bad guy.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
It kind of looks like. He kind of looks like Goku, but green.
Yeah, green Goku.
I forgot his name. I'm sorry. That's cool. He's got a stand. Oh, and a keychain.
Yeah.
Nice. So you can put them on your backpack.
Yep.
That's cool. All right, you ready?
Yep, let's open the
who's-
6.
All right, let's see who I got.
Trunks!
I got Trunks. He's got a bent sword. Man, our Trunks looks mad.
Yeah, he does. It really does.
Yeah, he's like about to slice someone
With his bent sword.
with his bent sword.
And then this guy, we don't know.
Yeah, he's like doing some kind of magic or something.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. It's your turn.
It's my turn. Ooh, Star Wars, yay. Collectible plush. I would like to get Darth Vader.
Let's see. I don't really know.
You don't know? All right, let's open it.
Yay!
Okay, I'm going first. Who did I get?
Boba Fett!
I got Boba Fett.
And
Nice.
I got Darth Vader.
Yeah, Darth Vader. Yeah.
Nice.
I am your father.
Star Wars Dance Bible.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad I got Darth Vader and Boba Fett. You know who will like this?
Who?
Grandpa.
Oh, yeah.
He loves Boba Fett.
Yeah.
All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes, I want to do this.
Ooh, the Marvel plushes.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right now, it's one of my favorite movies to watch.
Yeah, Marvel movies are awesome.
Yeah. If you get Thor, can we trade?
Sure. All right, who'd you get?
I got Falcon.
Ooh, wow, that's pretty impressive actually with the wings and stuff. All right, here. Oh,
You
I got Black Widow. Those are really cool.
Yeah. That'll be Falcon.
You got Falcon, and then Black Widow. I'm gonna. Ah! I don't know what you're gonna do. I'm gonna beat up bad guys. Ow! Okay, we have 2 sets of surprises left for today, and I'm gonna pick these awesome Disney car minis.
Yes.
Yes. And then next time we're gonna open up these Incredibles 2 Mashems.
And then we're gonna do this.
I know, are you so excited?
Yeah.
I am too. Oh, I hope we get Lightning McQueen.
Oh yeah.
I hope we get Lightning McQueen. All right, I'm gonna go first. All right.
Alright.
Who the heck is that? Is that Ramon?
Yeah, no.
Ramon in a different paint job?
Yeah. And who did I get?
I don't know. Who did you get? That's Lightning McQueen!
Yeah.
It's in his Doc Hudson paint job.
Yeah.
I think does it say it on the back? For Doc Hudson. Oh, I love this one. It is so cool.
Nice. Last 2 surprises.
Yeah, I want Jack Jack. He's the mystery one.
Nice.
Yeah. Or Mr. Incredible, of course.
Of course. Alright, let's see who I got. Mr. Incredible!
Yeah, Mr. Incredible! So who we got? Did we get Jack Jack?
Alright. Mr. Incredible!
2 Mr. Incredibles!
Ow, 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 ow.
Awesome. Well, at least we got one of the ones we wanted.
Yeah.
Times 2.
Squish meter 10.
Squish meter 10? Really? They're that
Yeah.
squishy. They've gotten really good at these mashems, making them super squishy, haven't they?
Yeah. Squish.
Super squishy.
Ow, 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 ow.
I give him an 8 though. I wouldn't give him a
Ow,
10.
ow, ow, ow. That's my butt. Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, we have the Stem Junior by Little Tikes. We're looking at the Tornado Tower. And it's gonna be awesome. Are you in there? And it came with it says a lava experiment too. So we'll have to see if we can make that work. And we mostly want to just do the Twisty Tornado though.
Yeah. So it says you have to fill it with H2O, aka water.
Uh-huh.
And fill it with some other stuff.
Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, it comes with a cup.
Power up.
Powered up.
You can power up from 0 all the way up to 3.
All right.
And
Okay, man, we got the Twisty Tornado out of the box and ready to go. And something we were looking at is it came with little experiment cards, and unfortunately, some of the stuff we don't have, like mineral oil and food coloring and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll have to look at that at a different time. But we can do the Twisty Tornado, which I think is the coolest part of it anyway.
Yeah.
So I think first we have to get some water.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's fill it up. Ooh. All right, we got enough water. Let's put in these gears. This one floats
Yeah, I see that.
for some reason.
All right, Jacob, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready for a tornado? Here we go. All right, let's go down here and turn it to setting 1. What's happening? Things are starting to spin around a little bit. Let's go higher speed. No, tornado! That's awesome.
Whoa.
You look really silly right now, Jacob. So silly. You trying to lick the tornado? You want to see it from the top?
Whoa, that looks so cool.
All right, let's see. What? That is so cool.
Yeah, I know, right?
Super cool.
There are some of the pieces down here doing ballet. They're doing ballet.
Spinning around like crazy.
Yeah.
Oh boy! That's a wonderful, awesome tornado! Ah! No! Oh, no! Not Mickey! No! Save me! Save me! Anybody save me! I'll save you! I'm coming! Oh no! Don't fall in! Ah! Oh my goodness! Look at Mickey! Ah! Help!
And
Help
look at
us!
the tornado. Look at the tornado.
It's so little.
We should turn this down a notch.
Oh, he's floating. He's floating. Somebody let us out! Somebody save us! All right, let's save him. Let's save him. Turn it down. Whoa! He floated to the top.
He's the only thing that floated to the top. Oh my gosh.
We saved you, Mr. Incredible.
Yes, we did. Now, how do we get Mickey out?
Sorry, Mickey.
Got him.
Oh boy. What do you think about this one, Jake?
I think I want to do more experiments.
I know, it's a lot of fun, but unfortunately we didn't have the other stuff for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look really silly.
Let's turn it up again.
All right, turn it on. There it goes. There's the tornado.
Tornado. Wow, awesome tornado. I do it, Billy.
Did you have so much fun today, Jacob?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. Are you ready for today's shout outs?
Yeah.
All right. Who's our shout out?
Katie and Trenton.
All right. Thanks for being our friends.
Thanks for being our friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Save me.
Do I really have to say it?
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Leave us a like. Write us a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.